This is a black galvanized steel rust-proof metal wall-mounted mailbox we were sent a review from Yoobox. It is gorgeous, and before we put it up, or I mean our contractor puts it up, I wanted to show you a closer look. When the lid is up, that is about 14 inches high, so keep that in mind. If you're installing this below a porch light, for example, as we are, we've got to move everything around to be able to fit this as well as our new porch light. So I just wanted to give that measurement. Oh, it's so pretty though. Whew, I cannot wait. Let's get this up. Here is the underside. There are 2 little holes, and then you've got the 4 holes in the back for mounting and your mounting hardware. So it gives you whatever you need basically to mount it. They do have basic instructions as well, but I am personally not going to attempt this. We're gonna have our contractor do this. There are little kind of rubber bits right here so that it's not going to scratch itself or be super loud. It is about 6 inches to where the top of the mailbox is gonna open up. You could potentially mount a house number, magnetic house number, because it is magnetic. So that's something to keep in mind too. If you got like 3, 4, or 5 inch house numbers, you could mount those here without having to drill anything into your house. Just stick them magnetically right to the front of the mailbox. This is such a gorgeous modern matte black metal mailbox. Yes.